Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I change bridal zipper into corset ribbon. And you can see that first I removed the zipper, and you can see how I removed it. And now I am just placing the corset back, the fabric part. I stitched it from the both side and I closed the everything, and now I am flipping the side of the corset back. It's the cover, so you can't see your back, and I'm just flipping the side now. So now I am preparing the where the ribbon needs to be hooked. I am now making the hooks for the ribbon, and I just cut it the equal parts, and it's for the both side. The hooks needs to place in both sides, so I'm just making the hooks. You can see how I'm cutting it equally. So now I'm cutting the fabric for the hooks to place it. So it's easy to place the hooks in both sides. You can see how I am showing that needs to be placed. I am just making it little short. So now I will stitch it with the hooks. This is the right and left side for the hooks. Hooks needs to be placed in both sides equally, so when you put the ribbon it will be equal. So you can see I am just pinning it up the hooks. I am attaching, so I will stitch it and it will be then easy to stitch. You can see that how I am placing the hooks on the fabric. Now I am attaching with the bridal dress, and I am just checking that both hooks needs to be equally. I am placing it and checking, and I am placing the hooks. Now I am stitching it again. I am removing the pin and stitching to make sure that everything is equally distance. As you can see, this is the final, and I did it both. Now I am pinning it up with the bridal dress. So you can see that how I am stitching it now. I am removing the pin and then I am stitching it again. So then that way is easy and it will be equally stitched. This is the final look. I just for demonstration purpose use the golden ribbon, but you can use any ribbon. This is the final look. The dress